Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are in my bathroom, but it's because today I wanted to show you guys my morning skincare routine. I already have my hair up and all ready to go. That's why it's kind of in like a whatever that is. So I get a lot of questions on my skincare because, as you can see, I don't have breakouts. Like, I get a little bit of redness just in my T-zone, but other than that, I don't break out. I've never been someone to always have acne or anything like that. Lots of my friends always come and ask me what products I'm using and all that kind of stuff, and I've gotten my friends onto pretty much most of the products I'm going to show you guys today. Yeah, I like natural skincare, so I try to get brands that are as natural as possible and that aren't that expensive. You don't need to pay $40 for a product that's just filled with chemicals that's bad for your skin anyways. Go for something that's no parabens, all of those kind of things, and just better for you, cruelty free, all that good stuff. So without further ado, let's just get right on into the video. Okay, so cleanser is kind of the first thing that people would start with. I actually don't cleanse my face in the mornings. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, but mostly I just wash my face at night because my skin is dry. I do have dry skin, so I don't want to over cleanse it, so I don't wash it like twice a day. I really just wash it once a day at night after I've worn my makeup or the day or whatever, and I just want to wash it off. But sometimes I will cleanse in the morning if I feel like I need it, and the cleanser that I use for that is this one. This one is amazing. 3 of my friends use this cleanser now. It is the Earth Science Creamy Fruit Oil Cleanser with apricot and avocado. And this one is for dry or sensitive skin, but they do have one for oily skin as well. I highly recommend this product. This is amazing and it makes my skin feel awesome. So yes, I'm not going to use this right now because I don't think I need it. It's not a makeup day or anything like that, so usually I would use this. But instead, I'm just going to kind of splash my face with water, and that is how I like wash my face in the morning. So I'm going to do that now. It's just cold water. Oh, it got all over me. That's great. And then I just take a washcloth and I just kind of pat that dry. Okay, so the next step is toner, and the toner I use is by the brand Sukin. I think that's how you say it. It's an Australian natural brand, and I literally am in love with this brand. I use a few of their other products either on my nighttime skincare or like whatever. I have a few of them. So this is it. It's the Sukin Hydrating Mist Toner, and it's paraben and alcohol free. And this one is for all skin types. It just looks like this. So I literally just spray that on my face. Sprays, let it dry. And then the next step that I do, sorry, I'm just fanning it, is a vitamin C serum. Vitamin C serums are great in the mornings. They do good stuff for your skin. I will list some of them here, what vitamin C does for your skin. So this one is by, cannot pronounce it, is Glowy natural skincare, and it's a vitamin C serum. You can use any vitamin C serum. This is the one that I use. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this. It comes in a little dropper just like this. I'm just going to put just like 2 drops on my finger, and then I kind of rub it into my fingertips, and then I kind of just pat it into my skin. This also helps with brightening dull skin. So now that that is nice and pressed into my skin, I'm going to go on to moisturizer. So the moisturizer that I use is the exact same brand as the toner, so it's another Sukin brand. This is my morning skincare moisturizer. This one is just, again, paraben free, all that good stuff. It's just the facial hydrant moisturizer, and this one is also for all skin types. Again, I love this brand, it's great. So it's just like this little pump top, which I like too. So I just put a tiny bit on my fingers, not a full pump. A little bit goes a long way, like literally I have that much. I kind of just dab it, and then I kind of just rub that into my face, everywhere. What I like about all the products I use is they give you a nice glow and an amazing base for your makeup. Like, I don't wear foundation. I usually just wear like CC cream or BB cream or stuff like that. But still, even for my concealer, I find that when I don't do my morning skincare, my concealer can sometimes go on patchy or something like that. But with this, it literally just goes on beautifully. And yeah, that's my moisturizer. So I got like a nice little glow going there. Wow, my T-zone really hates me today, but okay. It's usually not that red, but yes. And next is eye cream. So the eye cream that I used was like a recent buy. I used to not use eye cream until I found this, and I'm literally in love with this product. I got it at Winners. A lot of the products that I use, you can find at Winners or TJ Maxx or wherever it is that you have for like a lot cheaper. But most of the products that I use, all the products I use, are under $20. So that's awesome. And this one is the Rasa & Co. New Zealand Natural Superfood Skin Brightening Eye Cream. And then this one, I noticed a huge difference in my under eyes because of my hypothyroid. I am also low iron, so as you can see, I get like really dark. They're usually even worse than this. I get really dark under eyes, and people are like, "Are you okay? Are you feeling okay?" I'm like, "Yes, I'm just not wearing makeup today, so you can see my dark. Yay!" Yeah, but this has helped so much. I put it on in the morning and at night, and it literally brightens my under eye. I noticed a difference right away, and this cream is so thick that like a little bit goes a really long way. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on my finger, and then just right here. And I'm just gonna go like this underneath my eyes, bring it up to the brow bone, just really lightly. Sorry, don't mind my phone. Yes, my ringtone is from Zelda. Turn that off. Go. Okay, so there we have it for all of my moisturizer and skincare kind of things like that. The last thing I'm going to do on my face is sunscreen. SPF is so important. On the days that I am having like a makeup day where I'm filming or I'm going out or stuff like that, my CC cream has SPF 40, I think, either 30 or 40. So I won't bother with putting extra sunscreen on, and I'll just use that. But like today where I'm not putting on makeup, I will use this one, and this is the Alba Botanica Very Emollient Facial Fragrance-Free Sunscreen Lotion, and this is SPF 40. And it's also broad spectrum, water resistant, all that good stuff. And it's good for the oceans. Like, it's not gonna hurt the oceans, this one. It's recyclable, vegan, all that good stuff. Animal tested. So that's the one I use. I love Alba Botanica. They have some great skincare products as well. This comes out very fast though. Oh, don't come out fast, don't come out fast. Oh my god. It like spills out. So just take a little bit on my face. Just on that. Especially when it's really hot in Canada right now. Well, at least where I am. It was like, so we go by Celsius. So it was like 35 degrees Celsius today, which is very hot. I'm not sure how much that is in Fahrenheit, but it was hot. Because we're used to like minus 20 degree weather, so. And there we have it. I just put on sunscreen, close that off, and now my face is ready for the day. Now I'm going to use some chapstick now that my face is all good. So I am going to use, I use a few different ones. I either use the Walda Skin Food Lip Butter, which is another natural product kind of one. This one's great. It's just a little oily, so sometimes I don't. And then other times if I want a pop of color on my lips, I use the Glossier either berrybomb.com or cherrybomb.com because they have like a bit of a tint to it. So I think today I'm going to use the berrybomb.com because I just got this one. I love the bomb.coms. I have a few of them. So just a little bit on my lips. And they smell amazing. Berry lips now. So yes, this is the way my face looks after all of my skincare routine. And now I'm just gonna go do my hair and then I'm ready for the day. Okay, so this is how my face and skin is looking after my skincare routine. I've done this routine for a while now and I've seen good results. I don't get acne. My skin is getting a lot less dry and more nourished now. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with the results of it. I hope you guys try out some of these products. I will link as many of them or all of them down below so you guys can try them out. I highly recommend them. They are all natural for the most part. No parabens, no phthalates, all of those kinds of things. And the bottles, most of them are recyclable and vegan and no animal testing and all that kind of stuff. So I hope you guys check them out and I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure to comment down below if you like this video, and comment down below if you've tried any of these products or your favorite holy grail skincare product. See you guys next time.